Hi everyone, my name is Batey and I'm a registered dietitian with the Food is Health Alliance at the University of Kentucky. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple, versatile snack. Chickpeas 3 ways. I've got some homemade spices and some store-bought spices, and you can switch this up however you like. So to get started, I'm going to make a barbecue version. First, I've got a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I've got this homemade barbecue mix. Now in this mix, I've got cumin, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and just a little bit of brown sugar for sweetness. So I'm just gonna put that in and get everything nice and coated. Now these chickpeas, they're canned chickpeas, and they have been rinsed and drained and then patted dry. You wanna pat them dry a little bit because they'll roast better that way and get crispy. So I want to keep these divided. So I'm going to gently put them over here and spread them out. Right. Next, I'm going to do my ranch chickpeas. And this is just a store-bought package of ranch seasoning. I'm using about half the pack. Put that in. So I'm gonna get these stirred up. Chickpeas are what we dietitians call a super nutritious food or a nutrient-dense food. And it's because they are full of protein and fiber, all in this little bean. They're in the same family as beans and peas. They're called legumes. So I'm gonna put this one here in the middle. Spread him out. It is perfectly okay if they mix and match a little bit. They can be friends. It'll be fine. And last, I threw together what I'm calling a Greek seasoning, but it really could be whatever you like. I've got oregano, dill, parsley, basil, garlic powder, and onion powder. Just put that in. Try to get all of it. Get my olive oil in. I'm gonna toss this up, and then I'm gonna put it in my oven, which I've preheated to 400 degrees. And we're gonna roast these for about 30 minutes, but it really depends on how crispy you like them. If you still want them to have a little bit of that soft chickpea texture, then 30 minutes will be plenty. But if you want something really crunchy that's gonna kind of simulate a chip, then you may want to put them back in for a little longer. Get these all spread out. And now I'm gonna head for my 400-degree oven and get started for about 30 minutes. I pulled my chickpeas out of the oven and I've allowed them to cool for about 15 minutes so they're easier to handle. Here, I've got the barbecue, in the middle are my ranch, and on the end here are the Greek seasoned. I wanted to point out that the 2 homemade seasonings, the barbecue and the Greek, don't have any added sodium, so they'd be perfect for someone trying to follow a heart-healthy or low-sodium diet, or anyone battling hypertension. But of course, you can always add salt if that's your thing. I've really enjoyed cooking with you today, and I can't wait to cook with you again.